Hey everyone, I'm going to talk to you about two more ways about bowl that you could bowl. So the first way I'm going to talk to you about is called the two-handed bowl. So the two-handed bowl is basically they say what I did my research is basically talking about how a lot of younger generation, like my age and younger, they're using two hands to bowl instead of using one how it traditionally started. So with the two-hand bowl, basically you're gonna have your hand, your middle finger and your ring finger in the two holes. You thumb in the third, in the bottom hole of the third hole, and you're gonna hold this just like you would like a regular bowl, elbow to the side, cuffing it and everything just like this. And also as well, you're gonna take the hand that you're not bowling with, and you kind of like place it on top, so it's like a placeholder. So it kind of like gives you more control of the ball as you're bowling. So let's say if you had to wind up, so stand like this, you aiming, you getting ready. After that, you take your steps, and as you are getting closer to the crossing lane or the foul lane, the foul line, when you get to the foul line before you put the release, I realize that the person is getting lower and lower as they're getting closer to the foul line. So when you get to the foul line, you're gonna get lower and lower till when you put get into your position, you still having your hand on top as a placeholder, rolling back, and as you're going down, it's kind of like it's like you low key you're sitting the ball on the ground almost when you put the release. So as you're sitting the ball down when you put the release, it goes as so it's like you're using your two hands to still control it, and you're pushing more with the bowling hand, even though you have the hand on top as a placeholder. Of course, I'm gonna have a video to show you what I'm basically talking about, and because I don't have a bowling ball in my hand, so I can kind of show you how it really goes. But like I said, taking the ball, holding it like your regular would, as a standard bowler, as a standard person would with the one hand. Put your hand on top, aim, you get ready, cock your hands back, and as you get closer and closer and you take a step, the person gets lower and lower. I want you to pay attention to that. And as they go, it's more force pushing with the bottom hand to release. So it's like a just like that, like literally as you're releasing, you're kind of like it's kind of like basically like I said, the top hand is just as a placeholder, kind of like gives them more control and where they want the ball to go, to what arrow they're trying to hit on, and etc. So like I said, I'm gonna show you a video of that so you can get a clear vision of what I'm talking about. But that is a new way of bowling that I actually just learned about literally like a week ago. It's called two-handed bowling. Like I said, a lot of young players are using it right now. So here's the video, and I'm gonna show you right now.
I'm really glad I embraced it. Living with singular chirophobia hasn't been easy, and I've had a lot of hardship in my life. But I did find my silver lining.
So this is the new way of bowling, like I told you that I learned. And it's actually, like I said, it's actually something that I just learned too as well. And actually, when I go to the bowling, I'm actually gonna try to learn. Actually, try to use that method of bowling with two hands to see how the outcome comes. So what I read was a lot of people who bowl with two hands have higher scores than normally with a person who actually has a curve ball or the backup bowl or just a regular straight up bowl. I heard that they're actually having higher scores because they have more control of the ball or where the ball is going. So actually a new thing you should want to try. If you have any more questions, actually you could just go on Google and type in two-handed bowling or how to roll a two-handed ball. How to roll the two-handed bowl, and it'll give you as much information on it. And actually I'm still watching videos on it, and it's very cool. So if you like it, you should actually get into it. Have a good day.